Very good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you, Sudhir?
I am fine, madam. Thank you about asking. And
Yes,
how about you?
I'm good as well. This is the real background behind you. You are sitting in under the open sky.
Yes, ma'am. I am on the rough. I am on the terrace actually.
Oh, the sky looks so nice. It
Thank you.
looks like a wallpaper behind you.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay, great. So, Sudhir, you are from Nasik, right?
Not, ma'am. I am not from Nasik. I am from Jalgaon, Maharashtra actually. But there was not a city in that list, so I pick a Nasik.
No problem, no problem. So, I understood. You are from Maharashtra, Jalgaon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where,
Yeah, so
where are you from, ma'am?
I am actually from Mumbai.
Okay.
Yeah. So, I'm a part-time tutor with Clapingo and I'm Ankita. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, since we are meeting the first time. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, are you comfortable with on YouTube?
Okay. Yes. So you are a YouTuber.
Yes, ma'am. I have a small channel and I want to put this video on my channel. So that's why I am asking about.
Sure, sure, sure. Sudhi, just a moment, just by any chance, I am actually awaiting somebody. If I leave for 1 minute, just excuse me, just to open the door. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay,
That's about it. Okay.
okay.
So shall we continue with the class?
Okay, ma'am, continue.
Yeah. Okay. So, Sudhi, the topic of the day is self improvement.
Yes.
Okay. So before the topic starts, I'll be giving you two topics that will be called an extempore topics, and from the two topics, you have to select one of it. Okay,
Okay.
and speak for 2 minutes. So your
Okay.
first topic is happy versus successful,
Okay.
and the second one is best small business ideas.
Happy versus successful means that if I am happy, when I will happy, when I will successful in my life. But there is a different definition in successful in each and every person. If someone got a money, it seems that he is a successful. If someone got a good job, he thinks that he is a successful. Okay,
Right.
if someone got a good education in his life, he thinks that he is a successful, because successful definition of successful is a different from each and every person's
Yes.
life.
Yes.
So if I met definition of my life in my life, if I want a good life, I want a good job, I want a good stability in my life, and whenever I made all those things, I think I am a successful and I am a happiest person in my life. And if I if I try to saying that happy definition of happiness, if I have a persons who reach to me, who try to cover me, if I broke in my life, whenever I broke in my life,
Yeah.
if they come and they, in that situation, I am think that I am a happiest person in that world. Okay, so I in my I say in my point of view, I think it's a definition of happy life. Okay, I
Happy life.
think. Oh, yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay. So, is it important that only being happy is enough, or is it important only being happy is enough, or a person needs to be successful? That's when they get happy.
Successful, I think it's I already told you, successful is depend on each and every person. It's a different for each and every person. Happy is a part of our life. Whatever you
Happiness.
have,
Yeah, happiness.
whatever happiness, happiness is very important. Whatever you have in your life, you must happy in find some movements, find some people uh, who will
Make
improve include happiness in your life. Okay, and as I told you, if I broke in my life, okay, if I have person, if I have a people's like good nature, they if I broke and they hold me,
if
make
I
me
broke,
again.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, but if I broke means what?
If I broke in my life, if sometimes someone make me unhappy, or telling something
Broke. So if I am, you can say if I'm upset, or if I, you can say if I'm upset, Or you can say
Okay.
that if I'm unhappy in life, somebody can come and, fulfill that by being there, by being present there. Yeah.
Yes, 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 yes.
So
I
very, yeah.
instead of upset and unhappy, I use broke, because there are many occasions in our life that time we broke and break our mind.
Broke is not a right word, but you will not use
Okay,
broke here. So
okay,
yeah, you can say that yes, we had our downfalls.
okay, downfall. Okay,
Yeah. So
sorry.
when in my life I had downfalls, so to uplift, I had people around me who came and made me happy. Okay. Or
Make me available.
yeah, or their presence made me happy. Okay. So
Okay,
broke is used. I am broke. That means I don't have money. Okay.
okay, okay,
Yeah. So I'm broke today. So my all my money is I've spent all my money in shopping, or I've spent lot of money giving it to somebody. So I am broke today.
okay, ma'am. Okay,
Yeah. So that time you use broke. But right now at this sentence, what you're making, you have to say that whenever I face downfall in my life, that means when I am, low, or you can also say low, when I'm low in my life.
okay, ma'am. Okay, okay,
Yeah. Okay.
okay,
So now coming to the topic, which is called self improvement.
okay.
How important is self improvement according to you?
Uh, Actually, now I'm a improvement for my child only. Okay, I complete my education now. I am a computer teacher at school. My life is going very good. I have no problem, but I want to improve myself because my child. Okay, it's okay what happened in my life, but I want to uh, improvement in my child. I learn in vernacular Marathi medium students. Okay, so I am facing problem to learning English and speaking English, but I want improvement for my child. I do not want to my child also facing this same problem. So I want to improve him at my home. I want to give him a environment of English environment background of at home. So that's why I starting this movement from I think 2018 and 19. And I daily on daily basis I improvement myself something new
Improving
and
myself. Yeah. So I've started
improving.
improving myself. Yeah.
Yeah, starting improving myself. And on a daily basis I update myself each and every time. And thanks to Clapingo, it's provide me a good platform. So I joined Clapingo and now I am comfortable because there is no one who speak with me English. And if I speak myself in the in front of the mirror, so it is a very odd situation for me. But I try it myself
You
and I
should
record it.
you should try. Why
Okay.
you need to try, Sudhir? Because that time you will start feeling that comfort with your own self when you're speaking. Okay.
Yes, yes, but there is a one problem. There is no one who could correct me.
Yes, that's true. But you can just give yourself a small task. Don't start communicating with yourself in front of mirror, but give yourself a task. Just supposedly, okay? You just need to speak. Take a object and start speaking of the object. This is a mug. It's maroon color. I can have hot drinks in it. I can also have cold water in it. It's 150 bucks, and you can just keep going on it. So that will make you more confident when you're speaking in front of the mirror about a certain object.
Yes, yes.
Okay?
No,
Yeah.
I'm a computer teacher, so I teach in a English language. Okay, but general in a when we will roaming here and there and speaking with friends. In that real life moments, it is small difficult to speak out. But
Yeah, it is
while
little
teaching,
difficult. Correct.
I have no problem. I teaching in English in my way.
That's nice. That's nice. So, Sudhi, I just want to tell you before we go ahead that your
Okay,
ers are coming a lot. Like, not the ers, not the fillers, but your articles. You're using everywhere. Like, I was just writing it down. You said, he is successful. Again, you're using a. I have a person, not a. I have a person with me who is uplifting me. So you can start working on your articles.
okay, okay.
Okay.
It's like a culture.
Culture. Okay. What is culture?
I saw your video and that person, that boys use the culture. So it's a
Yeah,
like culture.
yeah. Okay, you saw the YouTube video. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine, fine, fine. Yeah, so the kacha was so much. I'm sure a lot of people might have observed if they have seen the video. Yeah.
It's a, I think it's his own mother tongue word, so it's repeated. Now you told me that I am repeating okay,
No,
so I
not
am
like
not
you are not
comparing.
repeating the filler. Just understand, okay? You're not filling the that's not a filler. You are using the article. Article is from grammar. The,
Okay.
and, right? So
Yes,
you are
yes, yes.
using again and again in your sentence. So where it
Okay,
has not, where it has to be used, you're not using there, but you're using it everywhere. So what
okay,
can I suggest you, Sudhir? Whenever you have time, start solving the quiz, articles quiz. Okay,
okay,
so
okay,
what will happen there, you will get a practice of it. You will get a lot of articles, quizzes on Google, or maybe a book, you can grammar book where you can pick up from the school itself. Just start solving the exercises where you are putting the and the.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, so
Okay,
that you can start doing, so that you know where to put that, because you are talking well. It's not that you are not talking, it's the
okay,
grammar mistakes which is happening again and again.
uh, okay, ma'am. Article.
Yeah. Fine. So now going to the next question. Are you doing some professional course or taking up a new hobby or anything else?
Nowadays, I'm only going on clapping or taking
Okay.
only clapping course, professional course, nothing else, because I had already done professional courses, computer courses or degrees. I had already taken out. Nowadays, I have only on clapping go, and it's joined for only improvement myself. Okay, be fluent in English. So I have only joined a clapping nowadays. Okay.
Okay. So this is the only professional course you have enrolled in right now.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
Great. Great. So what improvement or changes is the course or hobby bringing to you? So if you're just doing clapping, what are the
Uh,
changes have you observed in yourself?
whe- teaching, but whenever I speak in front of the people, I was very shy. Clapping gave me a confidence. Okay, before that I am not able to speak in front of the mobile also, because it's a mobile. How can I speak? And whenever I go, people comes in front of me, I'm not able to speak in front of them. I'm my mind goes to blank. I have words, I have a knowledge about the sentence structure, but I am not able to speak. But clapping will give me a confidence, and also clapping will give me a new ideas, new thinking power, because each and every time I select a new tutor and
Right.
pick a new ideas from those speakers.
Right.
So
Right.
it's a good platform
To
for
this
me.
platform to, yes, practice and bring the practice in your real life. That's
Yes.
what matters.
Okay. Thank
Right. Okay, so now what opportunities will it bring to you in future? Of course, you will be teaching your child this, and you will be encouraging your child to get into this, at least understand and speak in English. What else do you think that you will get opportunities after doing this course?
maybe in my field, because I am learning from my child, but
Childhood.
it is not depend on my child. It is also help. It is also growth in my life. It will also help me in my life. Nowadays, I'm not saying that I will, but definitely, if I working on my fluency, definitely I have whatever new chances, best chances in my school life to get a good job or get a higher position opportunities. So it's a chances for me.
Definitely, it will definitely get, only stay motivated, and of course, you will get many opportunities in life. What
Yes.
would you like to do in future to improve yourself? Is there anything else in your mind that you want to enroll in, or you want to do for your own self to improve yourself?
I think I will try to teaching students who want to learn English. I think it's a very good topic, because I am also covering that. I am also facing confidence level problem. So it's on daily basis. If I teach them in English, so it could be a better for me to improve my English. So it is if I start up, I think I told you I have a YouTube channel, and I already started it. I narrating a story on my YouTube channel. Nowadays only 20 or the 23 videos on my YouTube channel. So it's I
So what
starting
are
on
the stories you just said? What are the stories do you narrate?
small stories. I am narrating English stories, and I'm narrating with point to point, word to word them uh, on internet, on online platform. So it could be good for me. So I'm working on myself in the future.
That's good. That's good. You have explored a different, tangent because you were into teaching and now you are a YouTuber as well. So how did you reach to become a YouTuber? What made you go to YouTube and start your own channel? What motivated you there?
And I think there is no personal reason, motivation. It's only self improvement. I want self improvement, and I want also to reach out those students who want to learn English, but they don't have a confidence, and they don't definitely help them. So it is a platform. So that's why I'm making a channel. Okay, so that's why
That's
I'm putting videos on internet.
That's good. Okay, Sudhir, so I didn't realize the time, so we have come to the end of the session. But I would like to tell you that a good job there, that you are inspiring yourself a lot to do many more things. And at the same time, you will be inspiring your child and many others through your platform. And of course, you're learning at the same time, but learning never stops. So let me tell you that keep that practice on, okay? Whenever possible, just keep practicing, practice reading, and start listening to, I'm sure a lot of tutors must have told you about this, that keep watching stuff which is available on Netflix. You can have a lot of English movie, I mean, you can watch a lot of English movies and the podcast, so that can help you to build your language. But please do work on the articles, because that mistakes are happening again and again. Yeah.
Okay, okay. I'm watching Gor Gopal Das actually.